Hey cats and dogs. It's been a while. You're probably like, girl, where the fuck is you at? Like, I'm actually in my backyard because today I did a summer bronzy makeup look and I just wanted y'all to see like the full effect of what it would be to do the summer bronzy makeup look. So if you guys are interested in how to do this look, plus I did a super easy eyeshadow kind of look for all my beginners out there, please stay tuned. I just moisturized my lips with the Burt's Bees lip moisturizer thingy. Lip moisturizer thingy, that's what it says on it. First step to good makeup is good moisturizer. I'm using my lovely Fenty Skin moisturizer. It's the shit. Okay, so for primer, I picked up a new one at Ulta. This one is the Milani Bright Side Illuminating Primer. I figured this will be great since we're going for a bronze. Since we're going for a bronze glowy look. So I'm go ahead and get this bad boy on. Okay, I'm not gonna use too much. Oh yeah, you see that already? Girl, I'm about to glow on these girls. Yes, God. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows here using my Morphe pencil. This is like $6 if you want to grab it. One side is spoolie, the other side is the product. So we're gonna go ahead and fix and fill our brows. So, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. How is everything? Are you still at that job? Is your boyfriend still cheating on you? I want to know everything. Alright. Can y'all see him? That means they're good. Alright. Just blend this out here. Again, this is just how I like to do my brows. If you like to do them another way, feel free. Makeup is to be interpreted in different ways. That's a bar. I'm gonna go ahead and set them using my, I think this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. I can't read the name. God, I am glowing. This makeup about to be so sick. No COVID. Okay, since I apparently lost my foundation and concealer, I had to pick up concealer. This is the classic LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in the color Fawn. This is what we're gonna use to shape our brows today. So I can't find everything in my makeup stash. It's so weird. Alright, so now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. If you're in New York like me, it is way too goddamn hot to do anything. So we are definitely not putting foundation. What we're gonna use instead is this thingy from ColourPop. This is called a tinted moisturizer. Best thing since sliced spread. So instead of getting a full coverage concealer that's probably gonna melt by the time you even leave your crib to wherever you're going, I'm gonna do a light tinted moisturizer. It will give you a light coverage. It's not something to you to like cover all your imperfections. It's just gonna help even out your face. So let me just go ahead and put this on here. I got mine from ColourPop, but everyone basically has a tinted moisturizer. can get it from Morphe. NYX, I think, has one. I don't know. When I was at Ulta, there was like a plethora of choices. So this is also great for my girls who don't like to put foundation on, but just want that extra moisture on their face. Go ahead and just put this on. See, it's not full coverage. You can still see some imperfections, but I don't really care about that, you know? Just gonna cover this moisturizer line out here. Don't know where it came from. Just gonna put a little over here. Alright, perfect. So now we're gonna use the same LA ColourPop concealer to highlight under my eye. That's what I said. Just gonna add a little brightness under our eye, get some definition right here. I'm just gonna blend that. Contour here. I'm using, oops, I forgot to show y'all. To contour, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. This is deep walnut. So this is like really darker than me, so I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm just gonna put some dots. You ready? 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I'm gonna put 2 here. You wanna contour your chin? Period. Now you're done. I'm gonna use the bottom of my beauty blender to blend that out. Get some shadows in here so we can contour this fat face. What I'm gonna do now is just set on my under eyes to make sure there's no crease here. I can't find my Fenty one. I'm just using the Midnight Luxury one. I'm not setting, I'm just pressing. I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off with my MAC Finish Plus Finish Mineralized Skin Finish. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Y'all know what I meant. Okay, just gonna dust off any excess as well. Let's set this rest of this face here. Okay, next is the fun part. Bronzing. Yes, we're gonna add that tan sun-kissed glow to our skin. So I'm gonna use my bronzing brush. I actually got this from 5 and Below. And I'm using the color Supreme. Yeah. Go ahead and add some color on my face. People use this as a brush to contour, or blush or contour. I'm gonna actually use it for both. Some color in there. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that color? Sun Kiss. Mwah. Okay, so we're gonna move on to my eyes. Let me bring you guys closer. So I'm gonna show you this real easy eyeshadow look using bronzer. Like, it's gonna be so easy. Pay attention, because I'm not gonna repeat myself. Why? Because you guys can always rhyme, but pay attention still. So we're gonna use our bronzer and we're gonna use a blending brush. What we're gonna do here, it's gonna show you right here. We're gonna take a little bronzer, put it in the outer third corner of our eye, almost like a V shape. And we're gonna now put it on the inner corner of our eyes as well. Just gonna blend these sides together. Same thing on the other eye. Blend it together. Now I'm going to just add a shimmer. I'm using my Juvia's palette, Saharan. I'm gonna use this little shimmer color right here. I'm just gonna put that in the middle. See where like the sun is reflecting that? Just gonna put that in the middle. Just gonna blend that in there. And boom. Just like that. You have a freaking eyeshadow look. You see that? Wasn't that so easy? I'm just gonna sharpen this up here. Look at you doing eyeshadow. Yes, ma'am. That's right. We don't need like to spend 20-30 minutes on an eyeshadow look. It's summer. The streets are calling our name. We have to be out, okay? So you do this, you're solid. You're golden, I should say. Just gonna finish by just putting a little bronzer under eye. Just to line this puppy up. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Yes, ma'am. Just gonna highlight the high points of my cheek using my Laura Mercier highlighter. This is old. This is Addiction. I don't know if y'all still remember this one, but I'm just gonna use my finger here. Just for even more glowiness. I'm gonna settle this makeup with my Morphe. Girl, I gotta do something about this list. I'm gonna be using my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and line with my Morphe liner. This is in the color. Gotta keep remembering to tell you vibes. It's always a vibe. If you suffer from no lipism, this will be the time where you can overdraw your lips. But I know how. Just wrap up this look with my Fenty Cream Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Cookie Jar. There you go. And there you have it. So this is the end of my video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And and everything else that all the YouTubers ask you to do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.